You've imported thousands of images into Capture One, and now comes the slow part, editing them one by one. What if you could get all of that done in minutes without compromising your style? In today's video, we're going to cover the workflow around editing in Capture One. And what this means is that you're not going to be doing the culling portion, but you're going to be importing your catalog or session into Aftershoot to edit them. Now, if you want to take advantage of Aftershoot's AI culling, you can run those raw files by importing them, run the cull, and then import them into your Capture One catalog in order to edit them inside of Aftershoot. Go ahead and browse to your Capture One catalog file and import it into Aftershoot. This can be a session or a catalog. Once it loads, you'll see your folders and collections right there. You can switch between folder view and collection view depending on how you've organized your work in Capture One. Next, choose the images you want to edit. You can select entire folders if you want to process everything or narrow things down to specific collections or sessions. If you want more control, use the Filter Photos option. You can filter by ratings, color labels, camera type, or file type, which is especially useful if you only want to edit your final selections. Now head over to the Edit tab. This is where you can choose your AI profile. For Capture One workflows, you'll need to use a professional AI profile trained on your Capture One edits. Instant AI profiles and marketplace styles are not currently compatible with Capture One catalogs. Using a Capture One trained profile ensures your edits stay consistent within your existing workflow. For the best results with Capture One, it's recommended to use a profile trained on Capture One edits so everything stays consistent with your existing workflow. Once your profile is selected, you can adjust your preferences if needed, or just go with the default settings. Then click on Start Editing. Aftershoot will now analyze each image and apply consistent edits across your entire selection. What would normally take hours is now done in minutes. Once editing is complete, take a moment to review your results. Use the before and after view to compare changes. You'll notice that your edits stay consistent across different lighting conditions while still adapting to each individual image. And if needed, you can make quick adjustments before exporting using tools like exposure, white balance, highlights, and shadows to fine-tune your results. When you're ready, click Export. You can now send them into other applications as part of your workflow depending on how you deliver your work. For example, you can continue working in Capture One or move your files into other editing or delivery tools. Choose your settings and destination, and Aftershoot will process everything for you. Here's a quick recap of the workflow. Import your catalog, select your images, choose your AI profile, start editing, review your results, and export. If you're using Capture One and want to speed up your editing without changing your process, give Aftershoot a try. You can start for free and see the difference in your very next shoot.